Hi, so I want to give you a close-up view of these Caseology cases. So I have my v20 phone here, and you'll notice that the Caseology cases are very flexible. It actually comes in two parts, and I'll go through that later on, but let me just fit the phone in here first. So it just slides in, and it snaps in. But you'll notice when it snaps in here, I do have a screen protector, and it goes right to the edge of the screen protector, which is neat. Now, let me go around here and show you. This is particularly the color of coral pink for my v20 here, and you could see that there's adequate spacing in the bottom for the USB-C cable. So this is your typical USB-C cable that is fairly thick, and you'll notice there's enough spacing that it doesn't obstruct putting on the USB-C cable. But the thing I really wanted to mention is when you're removing this, you actually have to take apart the outer edge of the Caseology case. So let me go ahead and show you what I mean here. So it's actually very hard to take out without, damaging the phone too much. These phones aren't as rigid as you think, so you don't want to really force the case out. What you have to do is put your fingernail at the edge and take out the rigid siding by removing the siding here, in which case you could now take out your phone. So that's one thing to be a little bit careful of, is when you're taking the phone out. Now I do want to show you a close-up. I have two colors here. I have the coral pink and the burgundy. Now the coral pink is actually fairly pink. You'll notice in the picture here it looks a little bit, has an orange tint to it. It's not orange at all. I was hoping to get something that looked orange, but it turned out to be pink. So you'll notice here I have the other color, which is burgundy here, and that looks like a little bit of a reddish dark brown, just your typical burgundy color. So let me just show you these two colors side by side here, and you'll notice this is the Parallax series, which has the designer ridges. This is not a print. It's actually raised edges here. I want to show you that it's not printed. The other thing about this Caseology brand is that it's actually made in Korea, so it has higher quality plastic. You'll notice if you've ever bought these polystyrene sort of soft plastic stuff, it actually starts cracking over time when you buy the sort of cheap China stuff, whereas this is from South Korea, which has a little bit of a higher quality to it. So let me just go ahead and sort of go around just to give you, and you could see there it says it's actually made in South Korea. And I want to go slowly so you could actually see it. And then here's the burgundy color, in case you're interested in the burgundy. And you can find these in the description area of this video. But I suppose that's really all I wanted to show, and I hope this helps, and please subscribe, and thank you for watching.